see Scott Mapuma. Scott Mapuma, how are you doing, sir?
Ngiyaphila kunjani mama?
Ngiyaphila nami. I want to find out from you, Uti, you have all these nominations from the Metro Awards. How excited? How do you feel? Are you excited? Did you see it coming? Are you proud of yourself? How do you feel?
Yes, from Kala ngisho the feeling is overwhelming. Kala vele ngifuna ukuthola amongst the best in the game, so I'm really happy, really excited.
Yeah, and we are very proud of you as your fans. You're doing amazing and you deserve it. As your fans, we're always looking forward to seeing you because we enjoy your performances. Is there anything that you do to make sure it was ready for 14?
Just say I was born ready. Ngisuke ngazi ukuthi okay sharp. Ngiya-check ukuthi alright, yeah, crowd number kanjani and then.
And it's always amazing to watch you. Spectacular performance, by the way. Papa Man and Ungbolekeni, which one do you feel like you ate it up, like you cooked and you did a great job?
I'll say we are Papa Man.
Man.
Yeah,
That's my song.